Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video, you saw my hair is kind of scattered. Yes, I want to trim my ends of my hair because I noticed that my ends has some little knots, like some knots on my ends. So they got to go. Yeah, guys. So when you notice, when you feel your ends and you see that it's not smooth, it's hasn't don't mind me, it's having some knots. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it's having knots on it. So those knots got to go because they tend to tie the other part of your hair, and your hair start to have knots, and when your hair starts to have knots, they start to break and the rest. So I've already done this part already off camera, so I want to do this remaining two parts with you all. Okay, so if you're new to my YouTube channel, hi, welcome. My name is Naturally Jessie. Yes, I know you guys have been seeing my hands on my hair and my voiceover. I try to post my face and speak to you all. Yeah, thank you all so much for the subscription. We are almost in 100 subscribers. I pray and I wish that before I post this particular video we get to 100 subscribers. Yay! Yeah, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I put a new video, and also like and comment and share. So fam, let's get started. Hey guys, so this particular way, I saw it on, I think, Naya. I don't know. I'm gonna put her name on the screen. She just hit 100k subscribers. Good girl. So she's an inspiration to me. Yeah, she has 4C/4B hair. So my hair is not similar to hers anyway. My hair is totally 4C hair. Yeah, so I saw this and I decided to give it a go. So this is my first time, not really my first time trimming my ends, but my first time trying this method, yeah, of trimming my ends. So guys, this is my thread. So I'm just going to like tie my hair just the way you normally tie your hair, just the way you normally tie your hair, like thread your hair. You just go around in circles and the rest. So at the end in here, we're gonna leave this place, okay? Don't tie those areas. Then I'll just do it like this and secure, and that's it. So I'm just going to do this one as well. And this is a good way to stretch your hair. It's a very good way to stretch your hair. We all have our hair all tied. Yeah, so time to. Hi guys, so moment of truth. So I'm going to start with the front one. Oh my god, I know the length, but it's better to have a healthy hair than a long hair which always break, and it's not, the ends of your hair is not healthy. It's too long. It's not too long. It's not too. Should I cut? This is too long now. Oh my god. Oh my days. Oh days. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh no. Oh no. My hair. Your ear? What happened to your ear? Alright, and the last one. I need to use a mirror to check this one. So far, these are the hair, so beautiful. These are the hairs I removed from my hair. Maybe I'll turn the camera and show you guys the knots on the hairs, like so. Let's just use this. Oh my god. Hold on, hold on.
Mama. 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 Mama.
So beauties, my hair is all stretched. So far, this method is really amazing. I did a little bit of twists because this is not how she did hers. Okay, so she first of all tie her hair, then before she trimmed the ends of her hair, she first of all tie it, let it stretch, then the next day she loosed it and she trimmed it the next day. After losing it, she now trim it. But me, I first of all tie my hair, trim it, then comb it out. This is my own way of trimming my hair, but I use the method of that tying of your hair first before trimming it. Okay, I really like the tying of the hair before trimming because it gave me a gauge on where to cut my actual hair and see where the knots are and cut it so that I don't overcut my hair. You understand? Yeah, so I really like this and I'll keep on incorporating this anytime I want to trim off my ends where the knots are. All right, so please keep on watching. Guys, I've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Let me know in the comment section, how long do you take to cut your hair, like to chop off your split ends? How long do you take you? Why I feel it's better we do it like twice in a year or 3 times in a year. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, how long do you take it to split up your ends? Yeah, because our ends are really important. So if you don't cut those out, our hair will not grow and will not retain length. Okay, yeah, so don't forget to always stay beautiful. Our natural hair makes us beautiful, and I'll see you in my next video.